Welcome. If you've ever found yourself constantly downloading email attachments one by one, you know how time-consuming it can be. Today, I'll show you a simple way to set up your Gmail app so it automatically downloads attachments for you. This updated guide will save you time and keep your important files right at your fingertips, ready whenever you need them. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to manage. Once you're in, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen. That's the menu button. Give it a tap. A side panel will slide out, showing you a list of options. Scroll down until you see Settings and tap on it. This will take you to a new screen where you'll see all the email accounts you've added to your Gmail app. Go ahead and tap on the email account you want to update. Now, you're in your account settings. Scroll down through the options until you find the section labeled Data Usage. Here, you'll see a checkbox next to Download Attachments. This is the setting that will automatically download attachments from your emails whenever you're connected to Wi-Fi. Simply check the box next to Download Attachments. Once it's enabled, Gmail will automatically save attachments from your incoming emails, making them available offline. This is especially handy if you travel a lot, or if you need to access files when you don't have an internet connection. And that's it. With just a few quick taps, you've set up your Gmail app to handle attachments automatically. No more digging through emails or waiting for downloads. Your files will be ready whenever you need them. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.